In this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line contains 5 alphabet characters. Along with every alphabet character, a single space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use nested while loop with a variable j is equal to 0 while j less than 5, and at the end of nested while increase j value by 1. Let's print C. Separate the alphabet with single space character. After printing single line, to continue from next line, we are going to use print method outside this nested while loop. Save the file. Run the file in the terminal py square.py. Now to print C value at the position of I with 0 and j with 0 or I with 4 or j with 4, we are going to use if condition, else print B separated with single space character. Save the file, run the file in the terminal. Now let's print A. Elif j I equal j equal to, then print A separated with single space character. Save the file, run the file in the terminal. This is our expected alphabet square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet square pattern.